Hello everyone. So for this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to insert footnote into your document. So when you say footnote, it's a piece of information added at the bottom of your page. So let's add footnote in each of our playlists. So let's click after this word because we want to insert a footnote here. To insert a footnote into your document, so you have to go to References tab, and then as you can see there's an Insert Footnote button. Click on it, and then your cursor will jump to the bottom of the page, which has a number of 1. Kasi ito yung first footnote natin sa document na to. So when you scroll up, may 1 din siya dito. Kasi ito yung lalagyan natin ng footnote. So let's just add a short definition of MySQL. So let's search for MySQL. Here, let's just copy this. So it's an open source relational database management system. Again, footnote is an additional piece of information. So let's copy that one and let's paste it here. Just keep text only there. So let's put the source, Wikipedia. So let's click here. Of course, we have to put the source. Just put it like this. Put the link. Source. So this is our first footnote. So as you can see, when I hover here, sa number 1, lalabas yung information from the bottom of the page, which is an open source relational database management system. So again, ito yung additional information na nilagay niya. So MySQL is an open source relational database management system. Pero dito, as you can see, naka-hyperlink pa rin siya. Kasi when you hover, yung mouse pointer nyo becomes a hand. Means this is a link or a hyperlink. So that's footnote. So again, let's create another one. Let's add here Java programming. Again, References tab, insert footnote. So since pangalawang footnote na siya, 2 na yung nakalagay. When we hover, walang lumalabas na info kasi wala pa tayong nilagay dito. So let's search for Java. So Java is a class-based OOP language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Let's copy this one. Let's go back to our document, paste it. Let's keep text only. There. And let's put the source. I'll click here, copy the link, source. So once you're done, when we hover, lalabas yung information. Yeah. So that's footnote. Go ahead and practice. You can copy this document or create your own. So I'll add third one, insert footnote. I'll go to Wikipedia, and search for HTML. The structured markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. I'll copy this one. I'll open Wikipedia. I'll paste here. And when it's smaller, I'll keep text only. And for the source, I'll copy this. Paste it here. For the last part, Bootstrap, same. Insert footnote. Go here. Search for Bootstrap. Bootstrap framework. So I'll copy this. Go back here. And then I'll put the source from Wikipedia. So same, when we hover dito sa number 4 kasi pang-apat na siyang footnote. And number 3. So again, based on the definition, kung ilang footnote yung nilagay nyo sa page na yan, yun din yung information na ilalagay nyo at the bottom of that page. So dito may dalawa tayo per page. So 1 and 2 is on the first page. And then 3 and 4 is on the second page. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to add a footnote into your document. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.